Welcome to my channel CADman Tutorials. Today we are going to create this drawing in AutoCAD by a step-by-step process. So let's get started. So in order to create this drawing, first create a center line from here to here and this horizontal center line. Then offset the same line to a distance of 78 in order to get this center line. So start with L, enter to create a line. So create a vertical line. Then again go for L, enter and draw a horizontal line and try to offset through 78 from here to here. And now, so we try to create this inner circle, that is dia 8, and this arc of length 24, that means dia 24 circle will create it. And then we try to create this R18. So here I try to create first dia 8 and again go for C from the same center, go dia 24 and again go for C from the same center, go to the radius and give 18. So we have done with dia 8, dia 24 and dia 18. So now as this profile is touching this dia 24, what I try to do is I try to move this from this point to this point in order to have that profile which is connecting with the dia 24 radius edge. So now I try to trim out the other parts. First I try to extend or stretch these lines. And I try to delete this. And now I try to create this tangent lines perpendicular to the quadrants of this dia 24. So take a line command from here, so it will go away and just draw a line from the quadrant of that circle. So now we have done with this profile. So we need to have a center line here. So this will be one center line which will be passing through this hexagonal bolt. So for that, so I try to offset from here to here. So 78 by 2 is 39, or either I offset from this center line to here. So you can offset from either of this center lines to 38. So I try to offset by giving command O, enter, and to a distance of 39. From here I click and drop it over here. So now I try to create this R10. So I'll try to remove these lines for a better clarity, and I'll try to create this radius 10 from the intersection of this point, so that is this point, and then create this hexagon. So go for C command from the intersection point of this, give R, enter, 10 radius. And now, so here the distance from here to here is given as 32. So in order to get that, first try to create a circle of dia 32. And now go to polygon, and so I wanted 6 sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I am giving enter number of sides as 6. Enter. Go to the center point of the circle and go to the circumscribed circle. So go and take the edge of the outer circle and click to that point. So now remove the inside circle, and now if you check out this distance from here to here, it will be 32 exactly. If you check the precision, it will be exactly 32. So remove the extra part of this. Now as this profile, complete profile is similar on the other side, we'll try to, as it is exactly from the center, so we'll try to mirror this complete profile to that side by giving a mirror command, taking this as a mirroring point or mirroring surface. So I try to select all these things and try to mirror. I'll take this as a midpoint and select and say no. So I'll try to extend these center lines. Sorry. Or I'll try to offset the circle to 2, and I'll try to remove the center lines to that so that it looks pretty good. And similarly, I'll take the same circle, copy that to this center, and I try to remove till that circle. Okay. Okay. Now, so we'll try to form this profile. In order to get this profile from this center, radius 30 is given. So in order to create these two profiles, then we'll try to give a tangency from this arc to the radius 30 arc. So go to C and give radius 30. Now I'll try to remove the unwanted circle, go for line, tangent, and I take a tangent of this arc to the tangent of this circle. Similarly, I'll go to line command, say tangent from this to again tangent of this circle. Similarly, either you can select these two and give a mirror from here to here and say mirror, or either you can create individually by giving tangent between those two arcs. So there will be a slight mismatch. So I'll try to remove the extra arc that is created. And we will try to remove this too. Now we'll try to offset to 2, and even this circle I'll give it outside and trim till here in order to get my center clearly. Okay. Now one more thing we are left out is this profile. This 4 distance from here, from the midpoint, it is 2 on the either side, and from this end point to this is 5, and this is 4. 2 from the midpoint, it is 2 and 2. So I'll try to offset to 2 on the either side, and I'll take a midpoint over here, try to offset to 5, and so I'll try to extend this line till there, and I try to remove the extra lines. So I try to remove even this. Now I'll select these all lines and make solid lines into center lines. So select these two lines and change their line type properties in order to look that like a center line. So I have the value is 5, just give it as 2. So now it looks like a center line, and we are left out with the circles. So these circles, so we have 6 number of circles with an angle of 60 between each and with a diameter of 4. So we'll take a circle from this same center, create, the diameter is 48, dia is 48, and I'll change this to center lines and go to the intersection point of this vertical line and the center line and give dia 4, and select this line and give a array command in order to make number of items along the circle. So I take this as a center and give intersection point of those two lines and say okay. Now we are done with the drawing. So we'll give dimensions and check out if we have done the drawing exactly as per the precision of the drawing. So go to the line command, go to the linear dimension and give the linear dimension from here to here is 24, and from this center to this center is 78, and from here to here it is 4, from here to here it is 5. I'll try to change the arrow size to 3 and even the text to 3. Okay, 5. Now we'll go and give the radius dimensions, line dimensions. From here to here it is 32, and radius dimension, so this is R18, this is R10, this is R30, and I'll give other diameter. So this diameter is 48 and this diameter is 8, and this point to this point is 4. So we are done with the drawing. So if you have got any doubt, you can comment me on the video from CADman Tutorials, and you can mail me at cadman16414@gmail.com. Thank you.